Today in this video, I'm going to tell you why we don't improve our English, which things are important. We can follow them to improve our English very fluently and confidently. There is no any reason we can get stuck, we can stop. So we can speak English very fluently. There will be no any difficulties, any challenges for us according to my perspective. So I give one example. Let's suppose if you have a partner, this is the good things you can practice with them. If you don't have any partner, doesn't matter, no problem. You can record yourself as you can watch my video. So you can just record yourself just for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Even English needs 1 hour 30 minutes. You can practice every day. You can choose a topic. According to that topic, you can discuss for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After that, you will come across a lot of new words and new sentences that will help you a lot. You will improve. Even for 2 days, for 3 days, you can do this practice. After that, your heart want to, you can make more and more videos. Just you can make habit. English needs environment, atmosphere. Without environment, we will not improve our English. So the second thing is that, my dear viewer, we don't have such type of environment. We can speak English to someone. So this is the big reason we are not fluent very short span of time. So that's the big reason. We should try our best. We can make environment for ourselves. Even 10 sentences, 20 every day we can use our conversation. And after that, when you can record yourself, after recording you can check your video where you make mistake. So the next video, try your best. You can work on where you did mistake. This mistake you can remove from your self. So step by step, your English will be improved. But English, it is a language, it is not a subject. Let's suppose if you can write where you did mistake, so it's matter. And spoken English, just you can convey your message. Grammar is important where you can use is, are, am, have been, has been. These are little basic grammar is required. After that, step by step, your English will be smooth. You can deliver your message to someone. So this is all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Manala. Thanks.